Yo, hello everyone and welcome back again with a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to fix oops, something went wrong in Webflow. Now to troubleshoot these issues in Webflow, you will need to go through this article which is made by the Help Center that literally gives you a bunch of steps that you need to take in order to fix any issue related to that something went wrong, because you literally don't know what's the thing that went wrong. So you need to go through these things step by step to actually detect the issue and fix it. So the first thing that you will need to do is to actually check your internet connection. Webflow runs smoothly even with a slower internet connection. So whenever your browser loses internet connection, the save indicator changes to a red internet connection icon to indicate that your website can't be saved at the time. To be sure internet speed isn't an issue, double check your internet connection and verify your signal strength. You can check also your internet connection by going to fast.com here, and this will give you an estimate speed of your internet at the moment. So for example, for me it's 82 megabytes per second, which is very good. The second thing is to check your browser version. So Webflow officially supports the latest 3 major versions of all modern browsers, including Chrome, Edge, Firefox, and Safari. Make sure you are using the latest version of whichever browser you are using to work on your site in Webflow without any problems. You can check your browser version using a tool like What's My Browser, which is like this one. So you're simply gonna go here. So say this with your support teams as them, and as you can see, I will be able to actually check my Chrome version. So it is 144 or 144. So let's check the actual latest Chrome version. Let's go like this. As you can see, the latest one is 145, so I'm outdated. So in case I would like to actually update it, you simply have to go to menu and then go to help, etc, and then update it from here. So you can go about Google Chrome, and from here you could check for any updates, as you can see right through here. So now it's going to be updating my Chrome to the latest version available on the market. Once you fix that as well, you would need to check your browser for an extension. Like there is Grammarly, there is Ghost Inspector, and there's ad blockers, Flash Video Downloader, uBlock Origin extension, and GPS coordinates for Google Maps. If you do have one of these extensions, your website will not be working flawlessly and you still will have the problem of something went wrong. And the second thing to do is to clear any styles and optimize the images that you're using on your website. And basically after you use and you basically try all of these solutions, your website should not be giving you that issue anymore and it should be fixed. And yeah, thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next upcoming video.